Are you ready to start your own online business? Imagine running a store with zero inventory. Welcome to Dropshipping. It's a business model changing how we shop and sell. In this guide, we will walk you through dropshipping step by step. First, let's define dropshipping. It's an online retail method where you don't hold products. Instead, you partner with suppliers who manage stock and shipping. Your job is to market and sell products. Now, let's explore the steps to start your dropshipping business. Begin with market research. Identify profitable niches and trending products. Use tools like Google Trends or social media to spot demands. Focus on products that excite you and have a customer base. Next, choose a dropshipping platform. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms help create your online store easily. They offer templates and support to design a great shopping experience. Then, find reliable suppliers. Websites like AliExpress or Sale who can guide you. Assess suppliers based on their ratings and product quality. It's essential to communicate with them clearly. After that, create your online store. Design it with your brand in mind. Add product descriptions and images that appeal to your target audience. Make navigation easy for a seamless shopping experience. Once your store is live, focus on marketing. Use social media to reach your audience. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Consider using paid ads to boost visibility quickly. Lastly, analyze and optimize. Use analytics tools to track sales and traffic. Adapt your strategies based on what works best. Continuous improvement will help grow your business. For example, imagine you're selling eco-friendly products. Research shows a strong demand for sustainable items. By focusing on this niche, you attract eco-conscious consumers. You set up your store on Shopify, partner with reliable suppliers, and launch a marketing campaign. Over time, you refine your strategies and see sales increase. To summarize, dropshipping is a fantastic way to run a business. Start with thorough market research. Choose the right platform, find reliable suppliers, and create an appealing store. Focus on effective marketing and continuously analyze your performance. Are you ready to embark on your dropshipping journey? Take the first step today. Research your niche, set up your store, and begin selling. Remember, success starts with taking action. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on growing your dropshipping business.